Ever feel like your stomach is a bottomless pit? You just ate a full meal, but 20 minutes later, you're back in the kitchen, staring into the fridge like it owes you answers. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Hunger isn't just about food. It's about hormones, habits, and a little bit of brain trickery. And if you don't figure it out, you'll always feel out of control with food. Let's break down why you always feel hungry, the real science behind cravings, and most importantly, how to stop it before you find yourself knee-deep in a bag of chips again. Your hunger hormones are out of control. Your body has two key hunger hormones. The first is ghrelin, also known as the feed me now hormone. The second is leptin, which tells your brain, I'm full, put the fork down. When these hormones are out of balance, you'll feel hungry all the time, even if your stomach is physically full. Eating too much sugar and processed food spikes ghrelin, making your brain think you need more food. Not getting enough sleep makes leptin drop, so your body never gets the signal to stop eating. So how do you fix it? Eat more whole foods like fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep ghrelin in check. And get at least 7 hours of sleep every night, so leptin can do its job properly. You're eating your feelings, not your hunger. Be honest, are you really hungry or just bored, stressed, or feeling some type of way? Studies show that stress, loneliness, and boredom trigger hunger cravings, even when your body doesn't actually need food. That's why after a long, exhausting day, your brain says, let's order pizza, instead of, let's steam some broccoli. Before grabbing a snack, take a moment to ask yourself, am I actually hungry or just looking for comfort? Instead of reacting to every craving, pause for a second. Try doing something else first. Step outside for fresh air, call a friend, or distract yourself for 5 minutes. If the craving vanishes, it wasn't real hunger, it was just a mood craving. Your brain is addicted to junk food. Ever eat one cookie and suddenly need the whole pack? That's not just a lack of willpower. It's your brain craving a dopamine hit. Sugary, processed foods flood your brain with dopamine, the same feel-good chemical released when people gamble or win a prize. The more junk food you eat, the more your brain craves it. It's an addiction cycle, not just a bad habit. So what's the fix? Train your brain to enjoy real food again. Slowly replace ultra-processed snacks with natural options. Over time, your taste buds will adjust, and suddenly, an apple will actually taste sweet again. You're eating too many carbs and not enough protein. If your meals are mostly bread, pasta, and cereal, don't be surprised if you're hungry again an hour later. Carbs digest quickly, spike your blood sugar, then crash, leaving you feeling sluggish and craving more food. The solution? Focus on protein and fiber. Foods like eggs, chicken, lentils, and avocados keep you full for hours, so you're not constantly reaching for snacks. You're actually just thirsty. Here's a mind-blowing fact. 75% of the time when you think you're hungry, you're actually just dehydrated. That's because thirst signals can be misread as hunger, making you reach for snacks when all you really need is a drink. And since most people don't drink enough water, chances are this is happening to you too. Next time you feel hunger creeping in, try drinking a glass of water first and wait 10 minutes. If you're still hungry, then eat. But more often than not, your hunger magically disappears because your body wasn't asking for food in the first place. Final thoughts. Fix your hunger for good. The next time you feel like you're starving, don't just grab food automatically. Pause and think about why. Is it your hormones, your emotions, or just a bad habit? The more you understand how hunger actually works, the more control you'll have over your cravings. And that means no more feeling like food controls you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one food you can never resist? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to learn how to stop emotional eating for good, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.